Good morning, students. This is KM Varaprasad, Department of CSE, DBSIT KAVALI. In this video, we are discussing the subject database management systems. In this database management system, we are in the UNIT-2 and we are continuing the introduction of the structured query language. Now, coming to the first one here. This is Introduction to SQL, Lecture 2. Basic query structure. Here, a typical SQL query has the form which contains three classes, very important classes. Select, from, where. Here, the select class contains some set of attributes. From class contains some set of relations. Where is used to specify the predicate. What is actually the purpose of the predicate here is it is used to specify the condition. Based on that condition, we are extracting many number of attribute values from the given relation or more than one relation. Here A is represents an attribute, RA represents a relation, P represents a predicate. Here the result of an SQL query is also a relation. Now coming to the next one. The select class. The select class lists the attributes desired in the select of a query. Here it is similar to the projection operation in relational algebra. Already we discussed about the projection operation. It is similar to the projection operation in relational algebra. For example, find the names of all sailors. Select S name from sailors. It can display all the names of the sailors from the table sailors. No, in SQL, data are case sensitive. The data is case sensitive. Now here, based on the condition is very important. In the condition, you have to specify the case sensitive words. Now continuation of the select class. SQL allows duplicates in relations as well as in query results. It can display the duplicate. The query results can display the duplicates also. To force the elimination of duplicates, insert the keyword distinct after select class. Here we are inserting the distinct class which can eliminate the duplicates. By using the distinct class, we can eliminate the duplicates. Now, for example, find the names of all sailors and remove duplicates. Now, here is an example. Select distinct S name from sailors. Here, the distinct is the keyword which is used to remove or eliminate the duplicate names of the sailors. Same select class continuation. Display the details of all sailors. Now, here is select SID, S name, rating and age from sailors. Now, from the sailors, we can display all the attributes which are available in the sailors table. SID, S name, rating, comma, age, rating and age. Here, the same thing is replaced by using the asterisk symbol. An asterisk in the select class denotes all attributes. Now, this is the similar query which can display the similar results compared to the just already discussed the SID, S name or like this. The two queries in this slide are displayed similar results. Now comes to the where class. It is also very important one. It is used to specify the condition or predicate. The where class specifies conditions that the result must specify. Find the names of all sailors with a rating 10. With a rating 10. Now here the example is where rating equal to 10 means SQL allows the use of the logical connectives also and or not. We can use the logical connectives and we can use comparison operators like less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, is equal to, and not equal to, etc. Find the names of all sailors with a rating 10 whose age is less than 35. Here, select yes name from sailors where rating is equal to 10 and age less than 35. Here the and is used to select the rating equal to 10 as well as age is less than 35. Both are true, only it can extract the data from the sailors table. Now these are the tables which it can display the output. Now coming to the from class lists the relations involved in the query. Now from the from class we can specify all the relations. Find the Cartesian product, sailors into results. The from class automatically calculate the Cartesian product. From that Cartesian product only it can display the list of values. It generates every possible sailors reserves pair which all attributes from both relations. For common attributes, the attributes in the resulting table are renamed using the relation name. For the common attributes, we are using some name or some synonym which is especially used to remove the name. Now here some of the examples are there. Find the names of sailors who have reserved boat 103. Now this is select as name from sailors comma reserves where sailors.sid is equal to reserves.sid and BID is equal to 103. Here SID from the sailors and SID from the reserves is used to connect the both the sailors as well as reserves. Now this is similar, it can also produce the similar results. Select S.S name. Here sailors is the synonym for, that means S is the synonym for sailors, R is the synonym for reserves. Here where S.SID equal to R.SUD and R.BID is equal to 103. Now this is the output of this one. Now coming to the another example, find the SID of sailors who have reserved boat 103. Here we are just boat is select SID from reserves where BID is equal to 103 or select R.SID from reserves R where R.BID is equal to, we can use any type of thing by using the synonym or not required. Synonym is not required. Here only one table, for the purpose of one table you don't want to use the synonym. More than one table is there, it is mandatory to use the synonyms. Now this is about the output of this one. Now coming to the rename operation or alias names. Already you discussed about the some of the things here. The SQL allows alias names for relations and attributes using the as clause or omit the as clause. Now by using the as, we are specifying the relation, that means synonyms, or without using the as clause. Old name as new name or old name space new name. Either one is possible or either one can use. Find SID and the names of sailors who reserved boat 103. Here select S.SID, comma S.S name from sailors. Sailors is reserves are. Here for the purpose of, for representing the sailors we are using S. For representing the reserves we are using R. S and R are the synonyms for sailors as well as reserves. Now it can reduce the some amounts of code, some amounts of writing work or something, synonym work. So it is very useful to refer the table more than one time. Now coming to this one, this is also another example for this one. Now coming to the some more examples. Find the SIDs of sailors who have reserved red boat. Here you are using boats as well as reserves. For the purpose of this one, from that boats we are taking the color and then that is compared with the already reserves. By using reserves and boats, we can extract all the things. Find the names of sailors who have reserved red boat. Who have reserved the red boat. That's the same thing. Here S dot S name from sailors says boat says reserves are. Now here we are taking all the three tables. Sailors, boats and reserves. Just we are comparing. Already we discussed about how we are relating based on BID, based on SID, and then similar values or similar columns. By using the similar columns, we are creating the relationship between the tables. Coming to next one, string and special operators. The string handling is very important in any programming language. SQL includes a string matching operator for comparisons on character strings. The operator like is the operator we are using, which uses patterns that are described using the two special characters. Here we are using two special characters like percentage and underscore. Percentage specifies zero or more number of characters and underscore specifies only one single character, any one single character. Now here find the names of sailors who name start with small a, who name starts with the a. Here we are taking select S name from sailors where S name like within single quotes a percentage. That means any starts with a and percentage represents any number of any characters. Here it can display the names. Those names starts with the letter A. Now coming to the some of the examples. Patterns are case sensitive. Here already we discussed about the SQL data is also case sensitive. Here the patterns are also case sensitive. Here some of the more examples. Intro percentage matches any string beginning with the intro. Now here percentage comp percentage matches any string containing the COMP. Now comes to the third one is any three letters matches any string of exactly three characters. Now here minimum three characters and maximum many number of characters it matches. Now these are the some of the examples based on the string handling or string or special characters. Now coming to the some more examples, find the names of sailors whose name starts with A and ends with Y. Here same select from where S name like A percentage Y starts with A and ends with the Y. In between any number of any characters are available. Find the names of sailors whose name starts with B which has exactly three characters. Now here we are taking B and then any two characters. Starts with B, any other two characters. Exactly we are having three characters which starts with the B. Now coming to the next one. Find the names of sailors whose name has exactly four characters. Now here we are taking simply like just four underscore symbols within the single quotes. Now find the names of sailors whose name has at least one character. Now this is about the thing. One underscore and then percentage. By using these two characters, we can take the minimum one character, at least one character. Now it can contain many number of characters. Now coming to the find the names of sailors whose name has at least one S. Now just to see here percentage S percentage. Before the S many number of characters are there and then after the S many number of characters or zero characters. Percentage represents either zero or many number of characters. Before S we are taking many number of characters or zero. After S we are taking many number of characters or zero. By specifying this one, it contains at least S, at least one S is available. Now coming to the find the names of sailors whose name ends with S. Now here we are taking percentage S. Now just you can see here S name like percentage S. Before percentage many number of characters are there. The string ends with the S. Now coming to the ordering the display of tuples. Here list the names of sailors in alphabetical order. Already we discussed about select from where. Select from where. Select in the select we are specifying list of attributes. In the from class we are specifying list of relations. In the that means actually condition or predicate where class we are specifying the condition or predicate. Now the order by class is used to specify the values in a specific order. By default it is in the ascending order. Now coming to the either or ASC or DESC are the keywords which are used to specify in ascending order or descending order. Now here we are selecting the distinct names from the sailors order by S name. The sailors list is displayed in an ascending order. It displays the names of sailors in ascending order. By default order is an ascending order. By default it is in the ascending order. Now coming to the another one, here we can see select distinct S name from sailors order by S name DESC. For the purpose of descending order, we have to specify the externally the keyword DESC. DESC especially used for the descending order of names. Descending order of names are displayed by using the DESC keyword. Order by is the another class we are adding here for select from where. This is the last class we are giving in the queries. Now coming to the where class predicates, many number of predicates we are taking for the where class. Here SQL includes a between comparison operator. You can also include the between operator. Here find the names of sailors whose rating lies between 1 and 5. Here 1 is inclusive and 5 is also inclusive. For the purpose of this one, we are using the between operator. This is also very important operator. You can specify this one. Here that is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 5. Now this is the example for this one. Select S name, comma rating from sailors where rating between 1 and 5. Rating between 1 and 2. Here already we discussed in the example. It can display the S name and rating. The rating is between. If the rating is 1, it can display. If the rating is 5, it can also display. In between 1 and 5, 2, 3, 4 already displayed. Now here 1 and 5 are both are inclusive. You can display either 1 or 5 in between the numbers. Now this is about the thing. This is the second video on structured query language. Structured query language. Here we discussed about some of the queries and how we are taking, how many number of classes are there for the purpose of queries. Here we discussed about the select class, from class, where class, and then order by class. By using the order by class, we can display the names or attribute names in the specific order like ascending order, descending order, and so on. Now here where class is there, some how we are performing the where class. Already all the things are discussed in this video. This is the second video based on the structured query language. Thank you.